Here are more packages. Some are from Temu and some are from eBay. It's actually like half of them. Half is from Temu, half of them is from eBay. So I'm gonna box the little one first. I can't flip the package over because of the shipping label. I don't want to show you my address and shit in the video. So let's move on. I'm just in a hurry. Gotta open that. Here's a fan cover for my gaming PC setup. I needed this because AIO like water blocks, like blocking the fans. I just don't want to touch the blades, so this is why I bought this. I only bought it for like less than $3 on eBay. Took a while for it to come, but it was worth it. Next, very small package. Temu one. Just some cleaning kit for my iPhone. I love my iPhone a lot, so that's why I got this. Temu for free. I didn't even have to pay for it. That's good. There's nothing else in the package. That is it. But that's worth it. Worth no money. Anyway. So next this package. Fucking hot outside. It's not so hot in here though. It's only 77 degrees in here, but it's reasonable. It's 97 out. The real feel is. But it's 91 for the actual temperature outside. Just a free box. I didn't have to pay for this. Looks like a bit like speakers in there. Very nice. It looks well made, actually. Closes well too. Here's the last package. This is just a water bottle. Needed this, it's so fucking hot out. I need to hydrate myself, and I needed this a lot. It'll help keep me hydrated in the summer. So yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.